programme is brought to you by UCL, London's global university.
UCL is really London's global university. We are a powerhouse of research activity. But it's important that a university is more than just the sum of its parts, which is why, despite the fact that we have wonderful art, wonderful architecture, wonderful anaesthesia, we should bring these together and to tension the knowledge that we have in different disciplines to generate wisdom, so that we're in a position to provide judicious application of knowledge for the good of humanity.
UCL Discovery is the university's new institutional repository. It's in line with developments that are happening all over Europe. It's a particularly strong development in Europe that major research universities and institutes set up their own repository to capture all the outputs of their researchers.
The exciting thing about UCL Discovery is it's not just an internally facing document, it's available for the world. So it's going to be something which anybody outside can see and use, and it's a major mechanism for us to produce a huge impact in the society, for us to be able to show the world what it is we do at UCL.
UCL Discovery can help disseminate arts and humanities research by making our research visible on the web to people who are doing something as simple as Google searches, for example.
It increases the access of people within your discipline but also external to your discipline, so it increases the range of people who are likely to access this. And I think the other thing it does is it extends the period over time through which people are likely to be accessing your research.
Open access is a modern and new way for a university or for a researcher to make their research results and outputs available to other researchers and to the general public.
Discovery provides a wonderful platform for us to host PDFs and other electronic copies of the works which people do, so that they're available freely for all who have internet access.
Publicly funded research should be publicly accessible. So I think there's a requirement of us to be thinking about the ways that we're communicating our research. And of course, a key part of that is academic publications in peer-reviewed journals. But I think we also have a moral obligation, if you like, to make our research as widely accessible as possible.
Open access means that there aren't any barriers to our work. We can share our work not just with other academics, we can share our work with journalists, we can share our work with members of the public, we can share our work with students, we can share our work with people interested in collaborating with us.
UCL research is easy to find via search engines such as Google. UCL research can normally be found at the top of any search results. UCL Discovery provides a range of download statistics. At the end of each month, we generate a list of the 20 most popular full-text items. You can click on any title to see the record or read the full text.
For the young researcher wanting to cut a new path in research and wanting to make their research widely known to as wide an audience as possible, it's a no-brainer. Open access is the way to go. It's good for them and it's good for the subject that they're studying.
To find out more about UCL, please visit us at itunes.ucl.ac.uk.